Hi everyone! Today in digital technology, we will continue to explore how to be safe and secure whilst we are online. Today, I would like you to please read the book, How We Get Cyber Smart. The book will be read to you on a link from YouTube. Once you've watched the video, there will be a second video to watch called How to Act E-Safe. And from there, you will be directed to a quiz where you need to answer some questions. After you have answered the questions, I will then like you to design for me your ultimate dream house. In that dream house, you can put as much technology and gadgets that you can think of. You can draw your pictures in your remote learning books that were sent home. And then I would like you to please take a photo of your work and upload it onto Seesaw so we can see your great designs. I look forward to seeing what designs that you can make, and I hope that you enjoy the lesson. Bye.